My name is Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics you're interested in, please subscribe to this video or this channel and give this video a thumbs up. On this video, I'm going to talk to you about me selling actually pawning my Coach purses. Well, it's actually something I had to do. I'm on a quest to become a minimalist, and I only want to keep things in my home that make me happy, that spark joy, and things that I really want to keep. And I have about 35 Coach purses that are just purses in general that I am doing nothing with. They're taking up space. They're just sitting there, and I only use maybe 3 to 5 purses. So I thought, let me do what everyone else says do. They say do things like, put them on Facebook Marketplace, put them on OfferUp, put them on eBay. I did that. And you know what? I heard nothing. Nothing but crickets. So I posted them on Facebook, or I posted the link to my OfferUp on Facebook, and one of my friends who is a manager at a pawn shop, she said, wow, you don't really want much for them. Just bring them to the pawn shop. So I said, you know what? I'm basically just giving them away anyway. I might as well just take them to the pawn shop, sell them, let them have them, and then I don't have to worry about constantly taking pictures, constantly posting, trying to meet up with someone to get $40 for a purse that I spent God knows how much for years ago. Way more than $40, I'll tell you that. But, hey, it is what it is. I took my purses and a pair of shoes up to her pawn shop, and I walked away with a couple $100. It was actually pretty easy, and I recommend it. It was so easy. I just put them all in a bag and took them up there, showed her my driver's license, and she did the necessary paperwork. And basically, whatever she offered me, I was going to take, because I didn't want to just give them away for free. I did want, something, just something. So that's what I did. And hey, it's done. Now I can do it again. If you're following, like, say, Dave Ramsey's system, he's always saying, if you have this extra stuff in your home, just sell it, get rid of it. So if you're like me and don't have time to bother with OfferUp or eBay or 5 Mile or Facebook Marketplace, just take that stuff to the pawn shop and get rid of it and put that money in your pocket, and hey, you're good to go. So anyway, I hope this video did help you. I hope this video gave you an alternative of things that you can do, especially right now with this whole current pandemic we're in. You have to be careful the type of people that you meet. You don't want to come in contact with the wrong person. So if it's easier, just take your stuff to one location, just do that. Anyway, I hope this video helps you, and if this is a topic that you enjoy, please give this video a thumbs up, and then also subscribe to this channel, because I'm always sharing additional tips and different things like that. So thank you very much, and have a divine day. Goodbye.